Facilitating a daily stand-up involves 5 easy steps. The first step is deciding when and how long to meet. Create a rhythm by scheduling the daily stand-up at the same time every day. 15 minutes is the max length for a daily scrum and could be good guidance for any daily meeting.
The second step is deciding who to invite. For Scrum teams, this is a little more prescriptive. Invite the product owner, Scrum Master, and developers. For other Agile teams, participants should include a facilitator plus the team executing on the work.
The third step involves making the work visible. Your task board should include things like the sprint backlog, and so will show the status of all of the items in progress. And it should be accessible to the whole team.
Even remote members.
Right. This is why we recommend using visual collaboration software to set up and share your board.
The fourth step is setting the daily agenda. Be clear about what's going to be covered. You can use a series of questions to guide the discussion, or you can walk the board, which is what I like to do, really going item by item.
I do that too.
Yeah.
And finally, the last step involves setting aside time to resolve impediments. The daily stand-up is a time for efficiency and for team flow. It's not a time to hash out every roadblock or discussion topic. Instead, schedule time separately for that. Many team members, in fact, will connect right after the daily meeting to address their impediments or coordinate on other plans.